Hey guys, install this beautiful red wig with me as I tell you how and why I become a wig influencer. So I've always had this thing of becoming an influencer, but I do not know specifically what kind of influencer I wanted to become. So at first I started my career as a makeup influencer, but I decided to quit because I didn't have a good skincare routine. And I need to have it to become a makeup influencer. So when I came into the United States, I decided that one thing about me, I want to become a baddie. I want to become a baddie on budget, yeah. So firstly, I learned how to do makeup, and I had a thing for hair, so I decided to, learn how to do hair. So I started to do hair back in Liberia, but not this intense, like using glue and stuff. So when I came into the United States of America, I knew that I want to be a baddie. I want to look good, especially on campus. So I decided that I don't want to spend my money to buy all this cute looking wig, but I want to own this wig, and I have a thing of becoming an influencer. So therefore, I should put my influencing skill to work. So I did a lot of research on how to become a wig influencer, and TikTok was very helpful. They quickly changed my new feed with lots and lots of wig influencing business, like wig install, like how to even get started. So I reached out to a lot of companies and a lot of them reply me, but yeah, I'm so grateful I got my first collaboration. That's where it all started. It all started in this month, July, and I got my first ever collaboration. I was so happy. I was so grateful. I made sure to do the best and most beautiful style that came in my head. I did a lot of research on wig style, and yeah, I got my first collaboration. I did my first wig install, and since then I started to reach out to more companies, and then companies started to reach out to me. Right now I'm not getting paid for this, but I'm getting free wig. Yeah, that was the goal, to get free wig. And yeah, I know that if I keep doing this, like in the first 3 to 4 months, I will start to get paid for it. But right now, I am grateful that I am getting free wigs, not just free wigs, but free human hair wigs. Yeah. So in case you guys want me to go over it in detail, just comment and I will do a detailed video
so guys,
on how
this is the
to get started.
look. I took less than 10 minutes to get done with this star. You can see. So yeah, this star gave me my first brand. I look so cute. This is the back. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on TikTok. Bye.